Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Epic Games to your Steam launcher. First is open Epic Games launcher and then head into the library tab where you can see all the downloaded and installed games in your Epic Games. Now select the game that you want to add and then click the three-dotted icon. After clicking this three-dotted icon, it will show this pop-up where you have to click the manage. Now after clicking the manage, it will show this screen where you have to create a desktop shortcut by clicking the create button. After creating the shortcut, head to your Steam launcher and then click the games tab on the top left corner of the screen and then click the add a non-Steam game to my library. Now browse until you see the game you want to add. If you can't find it, click the browse button, then select the game and then click the open button. Once added, click the game in the library and then click the properties. Change the target address and then find the game in File Manager and then click the properties of this game. After clicking the properties of this game, it will show this URL. Copy the URL address and then go back to your Steam launcher. Now paste it back to the target address and then change the game icon by tapping this icon. Then select the game that you want to change the icon and then edit the name if you'd like. And that's it. That's how you can add your Epic Games into your Steam launcher. And thank you for listening.